All right, here is the trade recap for the 22nd Tuesday of March. Coming into today, I wanted to see these London highs get swept. Overall, very bullish bias on the day. And as we can see from coming into market open, we get a move lower. Always good to see a nice open manipulation move. Normally, I like to see that, in the opposing direction of what the draw is for the day. And as you can see, our draw is very clear for the day. We have the London highs as the main target for the day. And going off that, we have all these hourly highs just resting here. And overall, we are bearish. We were holding this hourly bullish fair value gap. As you can see, super bullish after we did hold this, and then coming into market open, we do see that manipulation move lower, creating a bullish SMT. And from there, I watched this change in state of delivery hold and deliver us higher. But ultimately, I was looking for this 930 change in the state of delivery. And now you may ask, why didn't you take the earlier entry? Well, I didn't take the earlier entry just because I wasn't sure if this SMT was going to hold with these low resistance lows, as well as this was also the market opening price. Now, we just continued to open and dump. This was the opening price. When that price gets hit, that's a clear indication if we're going to deliver lower again or, reverse and actually go towards the draw on the day. So once we created the SMT there, I went in for my position sizing. Super easy. If you were in for two contracts like myself, you could have taken one off at these London highs. Not the most ideal risk to reward with it being a 0.77, but besides the point, this is a super clear draw on liquidity. There's no reason why this wouldn't get hit. You would watch this between this and ES, see whichever one gets hit, and once that gets hit, you go break even. So I was break even from here, and then I just let another contract run for these hourly highs. And as you can see, they get hit very quickly. This change in state was beautiful today. You had two entry points that you could have taken it off of. No inverse within this entire leg, so that's why you would use the change in state of delivery as your entry model. That paired along with the SMT was just beautiful. We were holding this hourly bullish fair value gap. Everything was telling us that we were going to be bullish today, and as you can see, that was the draw on liquidity for the day. Could have literally marked the bottom for today. I do want you guys to take note that even if you guys didn't catch this trade, that's completely fine. As long as you guys are getting the correct draw on liquidity for the day, you should count that as a win in your books for the day. You won't always find an entry, or you won't always have that conviction. Stuff happens within the market, and the market is here every single day. All you can do every single day is go into the market and just execute your strategy, follow your plan, follow your risk management. That's all you can do in the market. I know you guys like to take other things into account when you are trading within the market. Some of you are too focused on money. You just want to see profits. But at the end of the day, if you are able to correctly predict where price is going to go and have good technical analysis, that's the goal within trading. That's why you have years of experience, and this is why you put in so much watch time on the charts to be able to tell where price is going to move towards. So hopefully you guys did take away something from this trade recap, and make sure to leave any comments and questions down below.